Burdock root, a humble yet powerful vegetable, holds a wealth of benefits for our overall health. With its rich content of prebiotic fibers such as inulin, this natural wonder actively supports digestive health. By nourishing beneficial gut bacteria, it aids digestion, creating a harmonious environment within the gut. When consumed regularly, burdock root acts as a natural ally, promoting a balanced digestive system and alleviating discomfort associated with gut issues. Moreover, burdock root shines in its ability to enhance skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties are invaluable, especially for those battling skin issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. By promoting collagen production, burdock helps maintain a youthful complexion, granting a radiant glow. Imagine your skin transformed, feeling soothed and revitalized as this extraordinary root works its magic beneath the surface. Beyond beauty, burdock root has a significant role as a detoxifier. Traditionally revered as a blood purifier, it diligently helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body. Supporting the liver and kidney function, it enhances lymphatic drainage, allowing the body to rejuvenate itself. Picture a cleansing wave washing away impurities, restoring vitality, and ensuring the organs responsible for detoxification are functioning at their best. Packed with antioxidants, burdock root delivers a robust defense against oxidative stress. With its bounty of flavonoids, phenolic acids, and other potent antioxidants, it actively combats inflammation and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Visualize these antioxidants tirelessly battling free radicals, protecting your cells and promoting longevity as they go. In addition, burdock root is a steadfast supporter of heart health. Its potassium and fiber content help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, fostering a heart-friendly environment. Imagine smoother blood flow and protected blood vessels as the anti-inflammatory properties come into play, significantly reducing the risk of heart disease. Regulating blood sugar levels is another area where burdock root shines, thanks to its inulin content. By improving insulin sensitivity, it offers a crucial benefit for individuals managing diabetes or grappling with blood sugar disparities. Picture a balanced and steady bloodstream where energy flows without the spikes and crashes that often accompany dietary imbalances. Lastly, the antibacterial and antifungal effects of burdock root serve as an immune system bolster. Its compounds tirelessly combat various bacteria and fungi, aiding in the treatment of infections. Picture yourself enveloped in a protective shield, fighting off ailments and stepping into each day with resilience and strength, all thanks to the natural fortitude of burdock root.